Okay, so you're on YouTube, you're making some good videos, and you're optimizing the title and the description for YouTube search so people can actually find the videos that you create and watch them. And if you're not there yet, well, that's okay. It takes time to learn YouTube. And you might want to check out this video right here where I explain some of these things that will help you get more views. Once people find your video through searching for the topic you've created the video on, you want to make sure that you are the video that stands out, that they're going to click on and watch. To do that, you have to create a good thumbnail. What's a thumbnail? Well, when you open up your YouTube page, your home page, you're going to see a whole bunch of suggested videos to watch, and the image for those suggested videos is what's called the thumbnail. If you don't create your own thumbnail, YouTube automatically selects a frame from the video you've uploaded and uses that as the thumbnail. That seems like the easy way to go, but those frame capture thumbnails are just not going to be competitive when they show up on a screen like this with a bunch of other well-done thumbnails. So how do you create a thumbnail? Well, luckily, this day and age, you do not have to be a graphic designer to create one. You can use the free version of Canva. Now, if you've never seen Canva, it's an online drag and drop tool, essentially, to create different types of images. I'll put a link down in the description below for you so it's easy to find. Let's head over to my free Canva account, and I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in YouTube thumbnails. And right away we can see there are a whole bunch of templates available to choose from. Some of them are not free. Some of them have this $sign down in the bottom right corner indicating that they are part of the paid version of Canva, so you can't use those. But the ones that don't have the $sign like this one are available to use. You can simply open it, choose to customize the template, and as this opens up, you'll have an editor. You'll be able to change the text, change the background images, and so on and so forth to suit your brand. I could change this to sunset. Simple as that. Then when you're finished, you just click on the share button and you choose to download the image. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful and you've liked it and subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. Now I'm going to create the thumbnail for this video and I want to do something a little bit more customized. So I'm going to go back to the main page here of YouTube thumbnails and I'm going to click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail. And from here I'm going to add some elements. So over on the left hand menu here we have the different options. I want to add some text. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to add a text box and I'm going to move that text box with this little arrow here. And you can see that it automatically gives me an idea of where in the frame these elements should be set. I'm going to type in my text. Now we never want to use too much text in a thumbnail. We really want to take advantage of imagery and colors that pop, things that are going to be appealing as compared to other people's thumbnails that are in the same competition space as your topic. Now the default font it's given me is not a font that I use in my branding, so I'm going to go up here to change the font, and Arial is one that I use commonly. I use Arial Narrow a lot, but that unfortunately isn't available in Canva, so I'll use Arial. And there it automatically changes the font. I'm going to make that bold, and I'm going to increase the size quite substantially. Let's try 70. And from there, just reposition and resize until it looks like it's in a good spot in the frame. I'm going to increase the size even more. Okay, I'm going to try that. Black is one of the colors I use in my branding, but you can change the color by selecting this button in the top menu, and you can then choose whatever color matches with your branding. And hey, if you're just new to YouTube, choose a color you like that stands out. Now the next thing I want to do is add my image to this thumbnail in this space on the opposite side of the text. Why? Well, a lot of the big YouTubers have said over the years many times that adding an image, a face in particular, is really helpful in terms of getting more clicks onto your video. So this is super easy to do. I'm going to use my phone. Okay, here we go. Okay, now this image is going to have all of my gear here in the background in it, and we want to be able to remove that. It used to be really complicated to do. You needed a green screen like I do have in my background. But now there is software that does the job really quickly. So I'm going to show you the Adobe Express site. So here it is here, and it gives us the option to upload our photo. Watch how fast and easy this is. Click on Upload. Canva has a background removal tool as well, but it's not part of the free version. Now you can drag and drop an image. I'm going to browse the device because I've just downloaded it from my phone, and this is the one I want. I'll open it. Removing the background, refining the edges, and there it is. I can download it. So now I need to go back to Canva, and I need to now get that image into Canva. So on the left-hand menu, there's an option for uploads. I'll click that, and I'm going to upload a file. And I can see there's the image that I just created with the background removal tool. And here it is now with the images on the left-hand menu. I'm going to drag it over into the thumbnail. And I'm going to position it and resize it. And now that I can see how the image fits, I'm going to just adjust the text a little bit again. We can add some other elements. I like to add a YouTube play button someplace and just play around with it until you get a design you like. There's options here for lines and shapes. Okay, so I've settled on this design. I actually redid my image because that first one was looking a bit too blurry for my liking. So this one's better, and I'm going to go with this. So I'm going to click Share. And I'm going to click Download. And I don't need a transparent background or any of these things that come with the paid version. I just need a JPEG or a PNG. PNG is suggested, and that's fine, but JPEG tends to be a little smaller file size, so it's quicker to upload. And for online on YouTube especially, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go with JPEG, and I'm going to download it. And now when I go to upload this video, you can see here I've uploaded a previous video just to demonstrate how this works. But in the thumbnail section, this is where YouTube just randomly selects frames from the video. And again, that would be what it would choose if you do not create your own thumbnail. But we've done that. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click Upload Thumbnail. There it is. I'm going to open it. And now YouTube has our custom created thumbnail that we did for free on Canva.